Kluver vibes. Today I'm going to do a little video that's different, and I'm going to show you how it looks like when I go to a store and I spend using cash envelopes. Today I'm taking 3 envelopes. I'm taking sports envelope because we need to get stuff for his t-ball team, grocery because I need to refill on my coffee, and then vitamins. It's not really vitamin related, but I need to get some medicine for the boys. So I'll show you what that's gonna look like at the end. These are the items that I bought today at Target. Now, when I go home, I'm gonna go ahead and look at the receipt and then total up what came out of the grocery and what came out of the vitamins. The vitamins is taking care of the medicine because Seth currently has like a cough and a sore throat, so we're taking care of that. And then the boys just have medicine on hand in case anything happens, so that we don't have to go get medicine when they're sick. So that way I'll show you what that looks like too. All right, so we got these dish pans because for t-ball I'm gonna put them in the dugout with their names. Then I got, not my wallet, medicine, and this is all gonna come out the vitamin account this time. And then I got groceries. So now to show you, all the medicine is actually in this health and beauty section, and we spent $66.40. That's actually over budget than what's in the vitamin account. It's actually $62. So we're gonna take $62 out of there, and then we're just gonna put the rest from the groceries. So as you see, $218, Target $34. So that's how I do it when I use 2 envelopes for 1 transaction. I divvy up the receipt for what goes to what. So for example, those medicines are all gonna come from the vitamin envelope, and then the rest is gonna come from groceries. And then I actually was able to do 2 transactions at Target, and I separated all the T-ball stuff into another transaction, so I didn't have to mix that portion into this transaction. So I hope that makes sense. If you have questions, go ahead and leave them in the comments. And please like and subscribe if you like this video.